This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a heading on every page in Excel. First, open your Excel workbook and navigate to the Page Layout tab. Look for the Page Setup group and click the small arrow in the bottom right corner to open the Page Setup dialog box. From there, select the Header/Footer tab to begin customizing your page headings. This is where you'll define what appears at the top of each printed page. Once in the Header/Footer tab, click the Custom Header button. This opens a new window with 3 sections: left, center, and right. You can type any text directly into these boxes. Additionally, you can use the provided buttons to insert dynamic elements like the page number, total pages, current date, file path, or even a picture. This gives you great flexibility. After entering your desired header content, you can format the text. Select the text in the Custom Header window and click the Format Text button to change font, size, and style. Always use the Print Preview option to see how your header will look on the printed page. This helps ensure everything aligns correctly and looks professional before you commit to printing many sheets. Beyond simple headers, you can also set specific rows or columns to repeat on every printed page. In the Page Setup dialog, go to the Sheet tab. Here, you'll find options for rows to repeat at top and columns to repeat at left. This is perfect for ensuring your data labels are always visible. Just select the rows or columns you want to repeat. And hey, before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.